Good morning, people. I am MIRZA AIMAN from MCM News.
I am AFZATUL AINISHA. Thanks for watching MCM News.
We are here today to bring a breaking news to all of you about the sustainable school university that has been completed in Batu, Pahat, Johor.
As the green building is implemented into environment quality, the EDU College will supply more fresh air than any conventional building, which is by avoiding certain material that are sources of indoor air contaminant and will provide individual thermal comfort control and offer an improved maintenance. With poor indoor environment quality are absent more often, the occupant will lose more work hours and are less productive than the occupant who live in high indoor environment quality. As the indoor environment quality is implemented, it will enhance the occupant health and comfort and give a productive surroundings to people.
In terms of local environmental impact, the building is focused on energy efficiency as it is one of the potential to keep the sustainability of a building. Energy efficiency refers towards using less energy to provide the same standard of service. Furthermore, the green infrastructure such as garden, recreational parks, and plantation tree along the road give multiple benefits such as ideal ecosystem, healthy environment, and biodiversity benefits. For the local economy, the usage of green building help to reduce the operational costs. Lower operational costs is one of the reasons in some countries that trigger the green building activities in the future. In the long term, Green Edu College will increase in asset value and profits toward the economy. Green building can provide cutting-edge indoor environment while lowering operational costs, increasing the property's appeal. The increased marketability of the property can help the investor or owners with the residential house or shops to have their justification to raise their price.
Now, we are going to have a live reporting at the location.
Thanks for joining us today, Mr. LOOI, the developer of this project, and Mr. ALEXSON, the engineer of this project. Mr. LOOI, how did you and your team manage to build this epic sustainable city? And what are the strategies that you have implemented?
I'm LOOI, the developer for the project of Green Edu College, which is located at Pahat, Johor. I will be explaining the total of 8 sustainable strategy which is used in this project. The first sustainable strategy is the material selection. We will be using green roof with all the low plantation green on the slightly sloped roof. The roof used should not be ordinary metal piece or tiles. The second strategy, which is energy efficiency through modern design. Lighting system of the cities can be solar powered. The wastewater like grey water can be reused for irrigation or cleaning purpose. The third strategy, reuse the construction material. The concrete blocks and pieces can turn into new precast concrete. The metal can be remade as new building materials.
And that's very interesting. Well, Mr. ALEXSON, how did you guys able to complete project in a very short time? How did you plan it?
Okay, thank you. I'm the engineer for this project. Okay, we have 6 activities to be done in this project. First one is activity A, which are excavation and foundation. Next is activity B, column, beam and wall construction. Next is activity C, slab construction, followed by activity D, staircase construction. Then activity E, roof construction, and finally activity F, which is MME system. Okay, that is, it has its own duration to be complete in each activity. For example, activity A, it takes around 10 days duration to be done, which is for 4th of May to the 13th of May. Then, next one is activity B. It takes 20 days to be complete, which is from 14th May to 2 of June. Next is slab construction. It takes around 15 days, which is from the 3rd of June to 17th of June. Followed by activity D, staircase construction. It takes around 10 days to be complete, which is from 18th of June to 27th of June. Activity E, roof construction, which is take around 10 days also to be complete, from 28th of June to 7th of July. Then finally is activity E, MME system. It takes around 16 days from 8th of July to 22nd of July. as you can see, the estimate and our planning and the actuals cumulative, they are the same. It is because we have a good management system and a well communicate with each other, so that there's no delay in the work. That's why we can complete the work in a time, and it can save cost and time and human energy at the same time. Okay, thank you.
It's a very fruitful and pleasing interview that I'm having with both of you. Thank you for your time.
Hai kanak-kanak, jangan lupa menonton aksi hebat ini bersama Apollo. Naruto pada 7 petang setiap Jumaat di TV3.